What's going on, guys? I'm OT, the Lord of Knives, and today I'm going to be showing you guys another blacksmithing video, and I also want to show you guys how to build a cheap charcoal forge. Today we're actually going to try to get a full finished product. Last time we got this going, I hit it like too thin and it looked like crap. So we're gonna make a full knife today, and Raven, don't escape. Don't escape. Yeah, we're gonna make a full knife today and show you guys what I got going. Time to throw in the first piece of metal. Or the piece of metal. She gets real hot, alright, so I'm honestly just trying to hit it into like a flat, very like neutral shape, like a butter knife kind of. And once I get into that flat shape, then I'm gonna start tapering down one side, and yeah, see how that goes. Oh, God. So guys, I'm liking this blade shape, this blade profile there. I'm gonna use my angle grinder. Ow, that was hot. I'm gonna use my angle grinder to cut some pieces off, and we're gonna turn this into a blade. So while I wait for my blade to cool down, I'm gonna test out my brand new angle grinder. Cut this piece of metal. I don't know how to do this. Oh, that is amazing. I'm cutting metal. Alright, well, now that I know how to use the angle grinder, this here's my blade profile. I'm gonna go for a clip point. I don't know how hard that's gonna be, but we'll find out. So right now I'm gonna hop on my mini belt grinder and shave off some more material from the sides. Once that's done, I'm gonna throw it in the fire, get it hot enough to quenching temperature, which I actually don't even know what quenching temperature is. I'm just gonna get it to like not orange hot, and then I'm gonna quench it, and then I'm gonna see what happens. Hopefully if everything goes good, I'm gonna, oh, almost stabbed myself. Hopefully if everything goes good and I don't destroy the blade, I will let it cool down and throw it in the oven for 450 degrees for about 45 minutes, because after the quench the blade becomes really brittle, and putting in the oven for 45 minutes helps soften the steel a bit. So I'm gonna do that. Then I'll pull it out of the oven, let it cool down, hop back on my mini belt grinder and put on my finest belt and see if I can give you guys a finished product. It's been long in the making, so let's do it. So guys, today I'm in a brand new spot. At my last location, the neighbors were just getting a little, difficult. So we're at a new spot today, and I know that this should be much better. These neighbors are much cooler. They know who I am. They know about me. All right. Well, while I'm setting up my new forge, I might as well show you guys step for step how I do it. So you just need bricks set up like this, with a little entry hole there. How I do it is I put a bed of rocks so that the airflow, when it goes in through here, can kind of move between these rocks. It doesn't really go past this point, just kind of this right here is the hot spot. You need some sort of ventilation, so a way that the air can get in there. I use these aluminum sheets. Just place her down right there. Oh. You'll need a power source, something to feed the flame. Gotta have your hammer and your anvil. You need a workbench to do the tough stuff. Fuel, make sure you got 2 bags of fuel. I got 2. Oop, don't want to see that. Then we got a whole bunch of grinders here. We got an angle grinder. We got a miniature belt grinder, which is very small. We got clamps, we got vice grips. I got this bench. We also got some rasps, some more clamps, camera equipment. And we got myself. I think it's time to put in the steel. So what I was thinking today is, if you can just see that right there, it's kind of warped a little this way. So I'm just gonna hit it down, straighten it. And it's also like the blade itself is like leaning this way. So I'm gonna cut a little bit of this metal off, or I'm gonna shave down this side more than I'm gonna shave down this side. And hopefully it will turn into something nice. So now what I'm gonna do is use the rasp to shave a tiny bit on this side and then a lot from this side. What if I tried this guy? Alright, I got this side as flat as I can get it. And I'm gonna do the same to this side. Throw it back in the heat, give it a good quench, and yeah. Alright, I realize if I'm just trying to grind a bevel, that will take literally one full day. So I'm going to throw it back in the heat and hit the end of it. Hopefully I won't change the shape too much. I'm going to hit the end of it, start to taper one side, and then I straighten it, and then quench it. Alright, now guys, I'm gonna quench it in some oil, and hopefully it doesn't shatter to bits. And here goes nothing, guys. All my hard work. I don't know how long I'm supposed to keep it in there, but I quenched it. Now I'm gonna wait until it cools down a bit, and once it cools down a bit, I'll put it in the oven. So now I'm gonna put in the blade for about 45 minutes at 450. You know what? Because I put it in a cold oven, let's do it for an hour. Alright, well, I just pulled this out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool down, but before I do that, I'm gonna put a file to it, and if it really bites in deep, that means the metal is too soft and I did something wrong. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that means. I'm just gonna go ahead and think that may be correct, and I'm just gonna start grinding away at some of this material here and put an edge on it. The last step. Let's do it. Alright guys, after all that grind work, after all that blood, sweat, and a little bit of tears, this is what I came up with. I don't know, for a first knife, I don't think it's that bad. Let me see if it's hair shaving sharp. Not hair shaving sharp, but let's see what it does to cardboard. This will kill. I think I did a thing. So guys, this is the final product. I would like to requench it, but I'm running out of daylight and I'm getting really hungry. So this took the better part of 2 days, and as you can see, it's not perfect, but I think I'm definitely getting somewhere, especially from the first video till now. I definitely think this is not bad for a first knife. So like, subscribe, do all of that. But what I'm really trying to stress to you guys is a knife is only as good as the one who wields it. I'm the Lord of Knives. Stay sharp.